What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and where Bitcoin could be headed in the coming months. You guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, as well as sharing this video with your friends and commenting down below. It's been a couple weeks since I uploaded, so today we have a lot to cover. Make sure you stay clear till the very end to maximize your profits and your learning. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So starting off here with Bitcoin on the daily candlesticks and looking at price action from back in April to today. We can see that prices have been dropping since April. However, since around June, we have started to see some upside. So this is looking very, very good on the short term for Bitcoin ever since about June, as prices have started to climb back up from these lows. Now, if we look at Bitcoin back in 2018, when it formed its last bottom, we actually see a lot of similarities between these two charts. And it's important to understand that these corrections have the same psychology. Human psychology repeats over and over. You're not going to get an exact copy every time, but you will get these charts to rhyme. They will look so shockingly similar that you can see the same human psychology playing out. Now with Bitcoin currently, we're seeing a very similar kind of bottoming structure as Bitcoin saw back in 2018 and 2019. Well, it formed its lows off of 3,000 per coin, all the way back up to 14,000 per coin. We're seeing a very similar structure, you guys. So we're going to be watching Bitcoin down here to see what happens. Is Bitcoin going to see a reversal? Are we going to make higher highs and higher lows? Or is Bitcoin going to see further downside? We have to be watching this short-term price action to kind of determine what's going on here. Now, Bitcoin has a tendency to do short squeezes. Once Bitcoin bottoms out, the market has a tendency to see a huge bullish rally. So every single time that Bitcoin shakes all of the bulls out of the market, all of the weak hands, the big players come around and send it to the moon. They do this every single time, you guys. And so what we're going to be watching here with Bitcoin is a short squeeze. We want to see prices continue to make higher highs and higher lows over the next couple months. And as that happens, prices could do what happened back in 2019, which is a short squeeze event. So basically, in a short squeeze event, once prices start to rise, everybody realizes that it's rising and they all pile in to get in on the excitement, to get on the fun. And that's what causes prices to go so high. You guys, both Bitcoin and most of the altcoin markets look very healthy on the short term. So watch over the next couple weeks to watch for prices to base out, to form their lows and start to make higher highs and higher lows. Well, as Bitcoin bottoms out, as Bitcoin starts to make its big picture reversal patterns, this will give us confirmation that the big picture uptrend is still intact and that we are still headed to over 100,000 per coin. So just watch Bitcoin. You guys, the big picture on Bitcoin is looking very good. There's nothing to be afraid of. We're still following our big picture trading plan. We still have an expanded flat correction here on Bitcoin. And this is still the bottom of wave C, so we're watching for this market to see a reversal and to see continuation inside of the big picture. It could see this reversal a lot faster than people think. When you have a huge decline in the market, especially when everything's very undervalued and people are starting to lose confidence, guess what? The big players, the whales, do not let their confidence be affected by short-term price swings. So they pick up the prices really cheap, they send it to the moon, and all the people that panic sold because they lost their confidence in the market look back and they go, wow, why wasn't I buying Bitcoin at 24,000 and at 20,000 per coin? So you guys, I'm still bullish in the big picture. I expect over 100,000 per coin with Bitcoin. I expect continuation on the short term. I expect reversals to take place. The altcoins are looking good. We have a lot of coins like Ethereum Classic breaking out. So there is no reason to lose your faith in this market, you guys. Hold true to your investments. We have big things coming in crypto. Stay tuned for more videos. I've got more coming. So I hope today's short little video and update on the market was helpful. Give you guys an idea of what's coming in future prices. Watch for more videos on this channel. You guys, the Bitcoin bull market is not done in the big picture. There's going to be a lot of exciting things for me to be talking about on this channel, especially as this market continues to grow. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. So let's just stay true to our big picture trading plans, and we're going to be greatly rewarded for doing that. Thank you for tuning in. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And as always, stay profitable out there.